Secondly, the experiment is over on the Podcastage channel. And I know that sounds drastic, like the world is coming to an end for me, but it's not. What I mean by that is I'm just going to be refocusing on what type of videos I'm uploading there and only going to really be focusing on audio, video, podcasting, YouTube, technical stuff. It's not going to be long-form content anymore. I'm going to stop uploading these entire podcasts and the interviews and all of this stuff like that. I don't want to disrespect my audience anymore. And I'll elaborate a little bit more on that. I just feel like people subscribe to the Podcastage channel mainly for microphone reviews or tutorials or tips and tricks. So when I throw a 45-minute podcast about my thoughts on general tech, people haven't subscribed to that. So that's kind of disrespecting their expectations and their trust in hitting that subscribe button. In terms of the interview series, the creator case study, I really did think that would fit with this channel, but it doesn't seem to be doing well here. So with both of those, the podcast and the creator case study, I decided to spin them off into their own channels so people can subscribe just for those things and get exactly what they expect. So if you do want to subscribe to those channels, the podcast is at youtube.bandaroosays.com. That will just direct you to the YouTube channel because I still don't have the custom domain. Or if you want the interview series, you can go to creatorcasestudy.com and that will also take you directly to the YouTube channel. And this entire statement right here, this is not me saying that I will never promote or share links or clips to those projects on the community tab, or if there is a clip within one of those series, one of those projects that fits really well on the Podcastage channel, maybe I will upload it here, but it's not going to be a staple on the channel. It's not going to take the place of a review or a commentary or a analysis of an issue or tips or tricks. It's not going to do that. It would just be on the weekend. It's not going to be a staple here. So I just wanted to thank everybody for sticking with me on those projects while I was experimenting. It was a lot of fun. I think some people found the podcast that didn't know it existed, and others found the podcast and said, oh, this is terrible. I'm not listening to this anymore. And I'm sure we lost some subscribers and some viewers because they said, I didn't subscribe for this. Unsubscribe. So thank you guys again. YouTube.com. No, that's not right. YouTube.bandaroosays.com or creatorcasestudy.com if you do want to follow those projects.